Collagen basically is responsible for maintaining a youthful appearance. Collagen and elastin. Collagen is the very strong protein that gives the skin a very plump and youthful appearance, while the elastin is the nice recoil. So, like if you were to pull up the skin, it snaps back very nice. It's not like stretchy and hangy. It's very nice and elastic. So you want to maintain this by first prevention, wearing a lot of sunscreen. But in addition to that, vitamin C helps support the collagen elastin that you do have to make it stronger. And topical vitamin A or retinol product will help stimulate the production of further collagen. These are both applied topically, so it's just on top of your skin. So they have limited penetration. There are other treatments such as microneedling with or without radiofrequency, which is very good because you can control the depth of penetration down into the skin, inject the needles, stimulate a collagen response at a deeper level. And if you add in the radiofrequency, that's another collagen response stimulus. The skin is open for 48 hours with these deeper channels. And when you have a very good skin regimen with vitamin A, vitamin C, and you apply it afterwards, those products can penetrate more deeply and cause even more collagen stimulation.